Hello students, so today we will continue the multiple choice question of self practice 4D. See the question number 1, multiple choice question number 1. 19 to the power 12 multiply 19 to the power 8 divided by 19 to the power 4 divided by 19 to the power 4 equals to 19 to the power, that we have to find what is the index of this 19. So here 4 options are given, so we have to select the correct option. Now to find the correct option, first of all we will solve this question. Now solve the left hand side. This is an equation divided expression into two sides. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So now you see here there are three exponents and these two exponents are multiplied with each other and both having the same base 19. So we apply the product law of exponent, that is exponent having the same base and are multiplied with each other. We take the base common and add the power. So here take the base common 19 and we add the power, that is 12 plus 8. Next divided by 19 to the power 4. So now here 19 to the power, add the power 12 plus 8 20, that is 19 to the power 20 divided by 19 to the power 4. Now this time we apply the quotient law of exponent, because here see both the exponents are divided with each other. So here the application of quotient law is applicable. So take the base common and subtract the power. So what is the quotient law of exponent? Quotient law of exponent says that a to the power n divided by a to the power n gives you a to the power m minus n. A to the power n divided by a to the power n means take the base common and subtract the power. First power minus second power, that is m minus n. So here what will be the value? Take the base common, base is the 19. Now subtract the power. First power minus second power, that is 20 minus 4. So what it will give? 19 to the power 20 minus 4 gives you 16. Now you compare it here. What we got the power? 16. So the correct answer you have to select. See which option is 16? Answer is option C. So 16 is our required answer. So this we got the required answer 16. So here what we have to fill? On the place of this question mark, we have to raise power 16 over the base 19. Okay. So the correct answer of this question number 1 is option C. So option C is the correct answer. Now we move to the next question, question number 2. See question number 2. 81 to the power 4. 81 to the power 4 divided 9 to the power 5. Divided 9 to the power 5 equals to what? Divided 9 to the power 5. So here we have to find the value. What is the value of this exponential expression? So as you see in this exponent, the base is different. Base are not same. The base of the first exponent is 81 and the base of the second exponent is 9. So try to make the base same first. So 81 is the square of 9. What we can write 81? 81 is the square of 9. So on the place of 81, first of all we write here 9 square. See, on the place of 81, I will write 9 square and whole to the power 4. On the place of 81, we can write 9 square. That means 9 9 is 81. Divided by 9 to the power 5. Now in the next place, see, apply the power law. Over the base 9 there is 2 power raised, one is 2 and another is 4. So here the power law is applicable. So we apply the power law of the exponent, that is a to the power n. What is the power law of the exponent? A to the power n, that is whole to the power n, gives you, take the base common and multiply the power. M multiply n. We take the base common and multiply the power. a to the power m whole to the power n gives you a to the power m cross n. So here also we take the base 9 common and multiply the power. 2 multiply 4 divided by 9 to the power 5. Now see the next step. What we will do? Now see, in the next step, 9 to the power 2 4 is 8. So what is the value? 9 to the power 8 divided by 9 to the power 5. So this time, in this two exponent the base is same. Now we have make the base same, and both the exponents are divided with each other. So again we apply the what? Quotient law. Take the base common and subtract the power. So take the base common 9 and we subtract the power 8 minus 5. First power minus second power. We have applied here the quotient law. A to the power n divided by a to the power n gives you a to the power m minus n. So what we got the value? 9 to the power 8 minus 5 3. So we have got 9 to the power 3. Now in this question we have to find its value. So what is the value of 9 cube? 9 to the power 3 means multiply the 9 itself 3 times. That is 9 multiply 9. So 9 9 is 81 and 81 9s are 729. So when you multiply this 9 3 times, you will get the value 729. So see, the option 729 is option C. Option C is the correct answer. We got the value 9 cube 729. That is the option C. Now we move to the next question, number 3. Now we move to the next question, question number 3. See the question number 3. 3 to the power 8. Question number 3 is 3 to the power 8. 3 to the power 8 multiply 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 8 multiply 3 to the power 4 gives you what? Here also we have to evaluate this exponential expression. So again here the bases are same and both the exponents are multiplied with each other. So we apply the product law. What is the product law? You can see here the product law. A to the power m multiply a to the power n means when bases are same and they are multiplied with each other. So take the base common and add the power, that is m plus n. So similarly here the bases are same 3. So we are going to take the base common 3 and we add the power 8 plus 4. The power of first exponent is 8 and the power of second exponent is 2. So in this exponent base is 3, power is 8, second exponent base is 3, power is 4. So take the base common and apply the product law. Take the base common and add the power. So what we got the value here? 3 to the power 8 plus 4, 12. So the value we got 3 to the power 12. Now here we have to find its value in the form of cube. It is given here 27 cube to 27 to the power 5, 729 square or 729 cube. So we have to find this answer in that form. So what will be its value we have to find in the form of 27 or 729. See, if you make a cube of 3, so you will get 27. Cube of 3 is 27 and this term you can write 3 to the power 4. So 27 to the power 4 you will get the value, that is 1. 27 to the power 4, but here 27 is not there. Another you can say, you can take 27 3 is 81, means 3 to the power 4 value you can take, and the value of 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 81 cube you will get. So that is also, there is no result. So one is 729 square, so maybe that's 6. So we can take that form also. You can see here, we can also write 3 to the power 6 whole to the power 2. Now consider this situation. 3 to the power 6, that is the 6 to the 12. We can convert this into in the form of 6 to the 12 power law. In the reverse we have done. We have break this 12 into the power law 3 to the power 6 over to the power 2. If you take the base common and multiply the power, you get 6 to the 12, the same thing only. But what is the value of 3 to the power 6? That we do here. So when you are going to find the value of 3 to the power 6 means 3 multiply 3 6 times you have to do. 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is the base, and 4 to the power 2. 3 to the power 6 means multiply the base. 3 to the power 6 means multiply the base itself 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have multiplied the base itself 6 times and the power is 2, just we have kept it. Now see what is the value of this. 3 3 is 9, this will give you what? 2 3 pair 9, 2 3 pair 9, this 2 3 pair 9. That is the 9 cube here, you see. The value of 9 cube we are going to get. And what is the value of 9 cube? 729. Here also you can see 3 is a 9, 9 into 9 into 9. So we are going to get the result 9 multiply 9 whole to the power 2. That means 9 cube, 9 into 9 into 9, the value of 9 cube, 9 into 9 into 9 is what? 729. So here we get 729 square. So what will be the answer? Now we can write 729 whole to the power 2. That is the correct answer. So which option? Third C. Third C, the correct answer, 729 square we can write. Now we move to the next question, number 4. Now see the question number 4. Multiple choice question number 4. Question number 4 is 16 multiply 32 upon 9 multiply 27 multiply 81. We have to find the value of this expression in the exponential form. We have to find the answer in the exponential form. So options are given here in this question: 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So in the options, the base is 2 by 3. Means we have to find these answers in the form of the base 2 by 3. The answer should be in the exponential form, which base is 2 by 3. So see how we do this. We can write 16 as if you find the prime factor of 16, you will get 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So on the place of 16 you can write 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. And on the place of 32 you can write 2 5 times. So 2 to the power 4 value is 16, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16. Similarly on the place of 32 you can write 2 to the power 5. Now if you multiply 16 with 2 you will get 32. So on the place of 32 I will write 2 to the power 5. Now see, the value of 2 to the power 4 is 16 and the value of 2 to the power 5 is 32. Now the value of 9 is square of 3. 3 square you can write, and the value of 27 is the 3 cube, 3 to the power 3. So 3 square means 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 cube means 27, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 81. 81 you can write 3 to the power 4. So when you find the prime factors of 81, you will get 3 4 times. Now you can write on the place of this 2 to the power 4, multiply 2 to the power 5. Now at the denominator C, take the base common, apply the product law and add all the power. 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here on the denominator place, we have applied the product law, each exponent having the same base 3 and all are multiplied with each other. So take the base common and add all the powers. Now here see what you got: to take the base common 2 and add all the powers, 4 plus 5. Here also we apply the exponent law. And here we got 3 to the power 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, that is 3 to the power 9. Now you see what will the answer. So in the numerator now we got 2 to the power 4 plus 5 9, and here 3 to the power 9. You see in this exponent, each exponent having the same index. The power is same, base is different. So divide the base and take the power common. So we can take this power common. So we can write the answer 2 by 3 whole to the power 9. 2 by 3 whole to the power 9. So which option is the correct? You see, 2 to the power, option A, fourth A, 2 by 3 whole to the power 9. So option A is correct for this. Okay. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class, we will do the remaining question of the multiple choice question. Thank you for your kind attention.